When it comes to sourcing and managing auto parts, Amotopart stands out. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we're diving into 7 key things you should know before pulling the trigger on your purchase. Stick around till the end, because there's a special offer waiting for you that could save you a lot of time and money. Let's jump right in. First, Amotopart offers a broad selection of parts, ranging from common to rare auto components. This is where it's compared to competitors like AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts. While those companies might have larger brick-and-mortar stores, Amotopart's online platform offers convenience and accessibility, allowing you to shop from the comfort of your home. Not only that, but Amotopart makes it easy to track down hard-to-find parts, which sets it apart from some of the bigger names in the industry. Next thing to keep in mind is the pricing structure. Amotopart is competitive, but it doesn't always beat every competitor on price. What sets it apart, though, is the transparency in their pricing. You're not going to find hidden fees or markups once you go to checkout. With some companies, pricing feels a little unpredictable, but Amotopart does a good job of being upfront with its costs. Now, let's talk about shipping. One major factor that can make or break the decision is how fast you'll get your parts. Amotopart generally delivers quickly, with most shipments arriving within 3 to 5 business days, depending on your location. They also offer free shipping for orders over a certain amount, which can save you quite a bit. When comparing it to competitors like Rock Auto, which has slower shipping times, Amotopart definitely holds its ground when it comes to quick delivery. The fourth thing you need to consider is the customer service. I've tested it myself, and here's the deal. Amotopart's customer service is responsive and helpful, but it's not perfect. Some users have reported slower response times during peak seasons, and while they'll work with you to resolve issues, the experience isn't always seamless. That said, it still beats some larger competitors that have a reputation for poor support. If you're someone who values having someone on the line quickly when there's an issue, this is something to keep in mind. Next, Amotopart offers a solid return policy. If you're not satisfied with the parts you receive, you can return them within 30 days, which is in line with what most auto part retailers offer. What stands out, however, is how easy the return process is. Amotopart takes the hassle out of returns, providing clear instructions and responsive support, unlike other brands that make you jump through hoops just to return an item. Now let's dive into the quality of the parts. Amotopart carries a mix of OEM, original equipment manufacturer, and aftermarket parts, giving you flexibility based on your needs. However, just like with any marketplace, the quality can vary. When you compare it to a dedicated brand like AutoZone that specializes in parts, Amotopart holds its own, but isn't necessarily the first place you'd go for guaranteed top-tier parts. Still, their partnerships with trusted manufacturers give them credibility. The seventh and final thing you need to know is about their deals and promotions. Amotopart runs regular sales, and with the right timing, you can get some seriously good discounts. Unlike some of the bigger names in the auto parts business, Amotopart tends to offer exclusive promotions for repeat customers, making it a great option for those who need to buy parts regularly. Just be sure to keep an eye out for these offers to get the best value. So, if you want to try out Amotopart, make sure you click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to the best free trial offer they have, plus some exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're sourcing your first part or you're a seasoned mechanic, Amotopart is worth considering. Just remember to do your research and compare prices, but from everything I've seen, it holds up well against the competition. Thanks for watching.